Hi, Mark Wright here to speak to you today about what we believe are the finest combs in the world, the new Ion Carbon Combs with silicone graphite smoothness from VIA. Now, the Ion Carbon Combs are high-quality combs that contain tourmaline crystals to generate ions, carbon fiber to keep them heat resistant so they won't melt even if you put them up against a 450-degree flat iron, and finally, silicone and graphite in the resin to make the comb incredibly smooth through the hair, as all VIA combs have been. But what's really unique about these combs is the actual tooth design. On the left here you see how most comb teeth are designed, where they're flat on both sides, so the entire side of the tooth drags against the hair. We decided to make our tooth more of a rounded diamond shape, and you can see with the red overlay how much more contact surface you have with an ordinary tooth compared with ours. That means less drag in the hair. Now let's talk about the individual designs because each design has a specific purpose. First of all, the fine tension pintail comb.
So for the new VIA Carbon Ion Combs, this is the number 1, which is the fine tooth weaving comb designed for fine hair. Go in and weave out the section you're about to highlight, and you also have this little pick on top to move hair aside, pick out the section you're going to highlight, get it all nice and even, and then the metal pick, the long metal pick, helps get all the way through that section nice and even.
In addition, I think it's important to note that the pin on the pintail combs is very smooth on the end so it won't scratch the scalp. And it's stainless steel.
This is the VIA number 2. It's basically the same comb, only with wider bristles for thick curly hair. Maybe if it's really dense on top and you need to get through it quicker. The fine comb is just going to kind of catch you up on all that hair. It has the long metal pick, so you can pick out your section, separate it, grab your next one, and continue on. This is the VIA number 3. This is the widest tooth going to the finest tooth. I like to use this when I have really dense hair that I'm trying to get through. You can pick up all that hair, comb it out, flip it around, get it nice and straight, and then cut your section with everything nice and even. This is the VIA number 4. It's the no tension comb. Everything is the same space apart, although you do have the pick on this side, which does help for sectioning and parting. This one I like to use when cutting bob lines. You're able to bring that hair all the way down with no tension, kind of tap it down, and cut nice and even all the way across. This is the VIA number 5. Again, it has the, there you go, lower tension to higher tension. This one I tend to use when grabbing big sections, trying to work through the haircut quickly. You're able to gather up a lot of hair, flip it around, get it all to the same even level, and then cut. Also, having this nice big wide comb, it's great for detangling, combing through color, just a basic all-around good comb to have. And this is the last set in this collection, the VIA number 6. This is the longest styling comb that we have. It also has a little more even tension. I love this comb just because it is so wide. I'm able to pick up a ton of hair, work nice and evenly through the section, flip it around again, getting all those little kinks out, pulling it all up to the same level, and cutting.
So once again, the people who've brought the industry some of the finest combs ever have now created the greatest comb ever produced in both pink and black. You can get them in 6-packs or in comb clutches by color. Thanks for watching. Bye.